The fresh herbal aroma of this essential oil makes it useful for cooking while also providing powerful cleansing and detoxifying properties for you. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's Cilantro Essential Oil. The main benefits is that it flavors pico de gallo and guacamole really well. It also is detoxifying and cleansing to your body. And then lastly, it assists with digestion. The directions and common uses include aromatic. You can also add 1 to 2 drops with fractionated coconut oil from doTERRA on your stomach area. You can place 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule to detox your filtering organs like your liver and kidneys. And then lastly, you can add 1 drop to salsa or your guac recipe in place of cilantro leaves for added flavor and therapeutic value. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.